Hello everyone. This video I'm going to show you or explain about the Summer 20 Sandbox preview. Generally, the Salesforce has two types of sandbox instances. One is a preview instances, another one is a non-preview instances. The sandboxes and preview instances will get the new features before they are rolled out to the production arc, and sandboxes and non-preview instances will get the new features along with the production arc or after the production arc based on the production arc instances. So as per the schedule, on 29th or 30th May, all sandboxes and preview instances will be upgraded to Summer 20, and sandboxes and non-preview instances will be upgraded on Summer 20 on 17th or 18th July 2020. If you want to access Summer 20 features before production upgrade, you need to refresh your sandbox or create a new sandbox before 29th May. I will show you in this video how to check the sandbox is an preview or non-preview instances, and where we can exactly check the instances information, and along with I will show you some of the reference links. So this is the article Salesforce published about the Summer 20 Sandbox preview. So if you come down further here, it lists out all the preview instances in details and non-preview instances. For example, CS2 is a preview instances that gets upgraded as a Summer 20 features on May 29th and 30th. And CS1 is a non-preview instances that's getting upgraded as a Summer 20 features July 17th or 18th, right? So here also they provided all the instruction when you need to create a sandbox. So what are the option? So like create for Spring 20 no preview, and create for Summer 20 get the preview, all the instruction available. And I will show you where exactly we can get the instances information. For that, you need to log in your production account, and then go to the setup. From the quick find, right, in the quick find type the sandboxes, then it's list out all the sandboxes related to your production. Then if you noticed here, for example, this particular image, all the sandboxes information listed under the location column, you can identify which particular instances that particular sandbox is executing, right? So this is the way you can get your sandbox instances. Another way, if you log in directly from your sandbox under the company information from the setup, quick find, type the company information, and here it's mentioned the instance information, right? Okay, let's go back here. And also from the trust salesforce.com, that is a status.salesforce.com, you can get to know all the information like when your sandbox is getting upgraded. Let me show you here. Type the CS2, click the search icon, then click again, and this is the current status. Go to the maintenance tab. From here it's provided all the status, right? So for this particular thing, May 30th, 1:30 p.m. AEST, it's getting upgraded Summer 20 major release features. So all the details available in the status.salesforce.com. Only thing you need to get that instance and search it, and go to the maintenance, and you can check it. Even you can know when next winter 20 major release upgraded for this particular instance. So the September 12, 1:30 p.m. AEST, the winter 21 major release going to upgrade. So we can pre-plan accordingly, right? So even if you come down further, January 09 2021, 3:30 p.m. AEDD, it's getting upgraded Spring 21 always, right? And if you go to in the furthermore, details about to get to know about the sandbox preview, go to the sandbox-preview.heroku.app.com. Here specify your instance. Let me enter CS2, click the submit, and again here it will be list out what kind of action if you want to upgrade to summer 20 or stay on spring 20. No, I don't want to summer 20, I want to stay back spring 20 until to upgrade the production. Then what step or what action need to perform, all the information available. So if I want to perform upgrade to summer 20, click this one, it display your action. So for this one you don't need to do any action, it since it's already a preview instance for this particular instance. So in that case the May 29th it's automatically upgraded to summer 20. If I want to stay back the spring 20 for this CS2 instance, then what action I need to perform. So in that case, go to this, see they provided the action items. So please wait and refresh after 1 p.m. on 29th, 2020. If you refresh before this time, your sandbox may be built on a preview instance. So if you want to stay back the spring 20 for this particular CS2 instance, so if you refresh after May 29, it's still back with the Spring 20 release, right? So these all are the information we can check under the Salesforce Sandbox Preview Guide. So I showed where we can exactly check the instances either from the directly from your sandbox, go to the company information under the instances section, we can check at the sandbox instances. Also, if you go to directly log into your production and go to the sandbox, from there it's list out all the sandboxes along with your location, the instance information, right? And apart from that, additionally I will show you once you execute this particular query, select IDE sandbox name from organization, it's display either this particular sandbox is this particular org is sandbox or production or developer account. If it is a false, then it's not a sandbox, right? And so here again, this is the place to provided the instruction about to create a sandbox instruction in your production arc. So type, ideally there are different types of sandbox available based on your edition. So developer sandbox, pro sandbox, partial copy sandbox, full copy sandbox. So based on your edition, you can have some limitation. So you can check all the Salesforce sandbox limits as per your edition as well. So these all the references links I will post in the video comments. Thank you again watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.